Hey guys, this is my 2026 Forest River Surveyor 205 RKLE. I have had it about a month. I love it. Do a little bit of a tour. We have a nice big window that is in the bedroom. Propane tank covers, one battery. I'm going to add a second TPMS system, which I have not installed. I did opt for the Anderson weight distribution hitch so it doesn't snap the tongue off. Okay, we'll start over here. Got a little bit of storage passed through all the way to the other side. I keep like the little sink and stuff out here. This is for the heater. We have our water hookup, city water, which I never use. I just fill the tank. Not sure, I don't think I've ever opened this. All right, water heater. They did tell me not to mess with that. If I have an issue, bring it back to the dealer. Is that closed? I don't know. I guess so. Okay. Stabilizer jacks. You have your low point drains, which is great. I forget what this is called. We have a, whatever that slide system is. I'll have to do a video on that because that's kind of weird. Nice big slide. Goodyear tires and rims, which is nice. We have our sewage stuff under here. I thought this was funny. So, oh, black tank flush and cable satellite. No, they're labeled wrong. That's the tank flush. And that's the satellite. Haha, joke's on me. It's funny. Power hookup. The back of it, spare tire. No ladder. It does have ladder prep, which I'm not getting up there, so whatever. Camera prep. I need to get a camera. It does have these, I don't remember my old one having these little drains on the corner for water to run down. Pretty awesome. We have our awning. And then this is great. Not this table. This table is not great. Got it from Temu and it's like horrible. Anyway, outdoor kitchen, which I have used. So, fridge. Oh, just kidding. Have not used that yet. And then this slides out. Ugh. It's on shocks. You can see the little shock there, so it's a little tight. And then this goes out. You put your probably should have moved this table. This flips up. You put your griddle here, your little sink here. I'm probably going to modify it so the griddle lives in here permanently because I don't think I'll use the sink that much. I like these too. Holds the door. And then slam catch, which is nice. Get rid of this table. Just kidding, guys. Okay. Furnace vent, we have a spray port out here, which is nice, and they do give you a nozzle. Little things like this, like the gas gets squeezed, but that's okay. Another cable satellite, and then I believe an outlet. We did see limited time 400 watt instead of 200. That's awesome. This is why I bought this thing. This tailgate bar. Okay, the biggest question is, can I do this with one hand to show you guys? Look at this. It's like a food truck window. So that opens, and there's actually a screen too. I literally just found this today. Screen. It's amazing. And then this, is this unlocked? No. I don't know. Okay, Katie. Is that it? Yeah. Nope. Okay. We'll get it eventually, won't we? Mind my Starlink. You can tell I planned this really well. So this is a bar, 25 pounds. And then there is a bottle opener, an outlet. Let's see if I can show you how the light turns on. Hold on. Okay. Probably not the best to do during the day, but this lights up. You can put all your liquor bottles and stuff. I don't drink, so I don't know what I'm going to put there, but I love this. Oh, and it comes with two little stools. I'll show those to you guys too. And then your big storage. Just kidding. Little magnet so it holds. Mine's kind of a mess and full like everybody. This is a grill. What's nice is, I don't know if I can find it. They give you the socket. They probably all do, but socket for your stabilizer jacks. And then you have a manual thing for your slide if that ever breaks. What's nice is these are all motion lights. And there's actually one by the sewer thing too. So you can see. Let me show you guys the stools. It's pretty cool. I can hear my dog running around in there. Not sure I can get them out. Yes, I can. So they give you 2 of these cool stools for the bar, which is really cute. Apparently I can't put this back with one hand, but let me know, you guys, if there's anything else in particular you want to see. I have towed this with my F-150. It tows well. I like, again, the Anderson hitch for weight distribution. Yeah, so far so good.